Good morning students, welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to talk about the last endomembrane system topic, that is lysosome. Lysosome is the single membrane bound cell organelle like vesicles and originate from ER and Golgi packaging vesicles. So it is discovered by D. Davis scientist in 1955 and lysosome name given by Novikov scientist. Okay, and it is found in all eukaryotic cells except RBC. Found in all eukaryotic cell except RBC. But lysosome is the characteristic feature of animal cell. It is characteristic feature of animal cell because in plant cell lysosome found in less number. Okay, next point, lysosomes are found in larger amount in WBC cells. Like phagocytes, phagocytosol cells, macrophage, monocyte. Okay, monocyte, phagocytosol cells, macrophages are the type of WBC. Now, next point, lysosome is also endomembrane system part and it is single membrane bound cell organelle. It means it have single cell membrane like Golgi body and ER. Okay, so these features represent the lysosome history. Now structure of lysosome. Origin, Lysosome originated from two cell organelles, ER and Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. Combinedly in the form of vesicles. It means vesicles of ER and vesicles of Golgi form the lysosome bodies. Lysosome fill with 50 approx 50 acidic enzyme. These are known as hydrolases. Enzymes, and these hydrolase enzymes activate or function as in acidic pH. It means pH of lysosome is 5. Okay, because all enzymes of lysosomes are function in acidic pH. Okay, let's see. There is no particular structure of lysosome because lysosome is polymorphic cell organelle. Structure is vary according to its cell. pH 5 and pH of cytoplasm is 7.2. Okay, transport of H plus or proton from cytoplasm to lysosome by uniform transport. Then ATP molecules, adenosine triphosphate, utilized and break down to adenosine diphosphate plus one inorganic phosphate. ATP is the energy currency of our body and it is a nucleotide adenosine triphosphate. When one inorganic phosphate released out from ATP molecules, then it converts into adenosine diphosphate. So it is the uniform transport. Okay, and there is cell membrane of lysosome and lumen or cavity of lysosome filled with hydrolysase enzymes like protease, lipase, carbohydrate, peptidase, ribonuclease and others. It means approx 50 hydrolysase enzymes are present in the lumen of lysosomes, and these enzymes are activated at 5 pH. Here pH of cytoplasm is 7.2. It means slightly basic, and pH of plasma is highly acidic. So these enzymes cannot work at cytoplasmic pH. Okay. Next point. Lysosome is also known as polymorphic cell organelle. Polymorphic cell organelle means poly means many, morphic means morphology or structure. Different shape of lysosome. Okay. Now it is also known as digestive bodies of cell. So these are the name of lysosomes. Now types of lysosome. According to construction, and its shape, lysosome can be of 4 types, but prominent types are 2: primary lysosome and secondary lysosome. First, primary lysosome. Second, secondary lysosome. Third, tertiary or residual body. And fourth, autophagosome. These are 4 types of lysosome, but main types are 2. Okay. Firstly, we are going to talk about the primary lysosome. It is also known as stored granule. Primary lysosomes are formed from endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body, and it stores the 50 hydrolase enzymes in the inactive form. It means newly synthesized enzymes on the ribosomes of the cell are stored in the primary lysosomes, but these enzymes are not activated in primary lysosome. It means digestion process cannot take place in primary lysosome, so it is known as stored granule. It means newly synthesized hydrolytic enzymes are filled in this. Okay. Now second type of lysosome is secondary lysosome or heterophagosome, and other name digestive vacuole. Okay. Secondary lysosome made up from primary lysosome fusion. It made up of fusion of primary lysosomes. It means many vesicles bind with primary lysosomes, then second lysosome is formed, and in this digestion of extracellular and intracellular compounds take place. Now third type, residual body or tertiary lysosome. When lysosome store undigested or undigestive substances and they eliminated by exocytosis process by cell membrane. Exocytosis means undigested or waste material of cell are released out from the cell body. So undigested particles or substances which are stored in lysosomal body released out by exocytosis process. So in tertiary lysosome, which is also known as residual body, only store undigested particles of the cell body. Now fourth type, autophagosome. Auto means cell, phagosome means phagocytosis. In this, lysosome containing cell organelles to be digestion. It means all cell organelles are autophagosome lysosome in the cell body. So these are the four type of lysosome, but main type is primary and secondary lysosome. Let's see structural diagram. AR Golgi body form primary lysosome, when foreign particles like bacteria, virus received by cell, it means intake by endocytosis. Cell membrane. Foreign particle received by phagosome and phagosome transfer it to secondary lysosome, because secondary lysosome store digestive enzyme. So foreign particle bacteria digested in the secondary lysosome. Further, undigested part of foreign particles or bacteria store in residual body, which is tertiary lysosome. And residual body release out or eliminate out undigested particles by exocytosis process. Of the cell membrane. Now, fourth type, which is autophagosome, digest the old cell organelle. Of the cell body. Undigested particle, and it is the cell membrane of lysosome okay, but main role in the lysosome is primary lysosome and secondary lysosome. Primary lysosome form secondary lysosome, secondary lysosome form residual body. So these are interlinked each other according to their functions.